Hello, Koda. Welcome back. Let us try to finish the game in this particular session. So now our score is moving, but it is an endless game. It is playable up till start. And one more thing you observe over here, when my score is 25, okay, and I'm starting the game, is starting from that itself. So we need to set the score to 0 at the beginning. For that, you are going to take the block from the variable set score. I'm going to put it somewhere when flag click. So now have a look. If I click on a flag, the score is 0. If I click on the balloon, the score is going to increase. Okay, so I'm having random balloons. Now the next thing, the game should have some timer. Let us add a timer now. Okay, so same thing, we are going to make one variable. This would be my timer. Okay, you can position it someplace wherever you want. I'll just put it over here, the timer. And what I need when the game start. Okay, I'll just put something when game start, set timer to. Just click on the score drop down, you can change it whatever time. It depends. If you want a 60-second game, 1 minute, 2 minutes game, you can just click on the number of second over there. I'll just keep it 20 second for a time being. It's your game, you can change it accordingly. Okay. Now the timer is set. Let me just click on the flag. Yeah, the timer is set. Now timer should get reduced. Okay. So I'll just take one more block from the event when flag click. Okay. I will take this control. I will check the forever because I want to reduce the time. As soon as the game starts, we are going to wait for 1 second. Okay. After 1 second, our timer should start get reducing by -1. So I'm going to just mention change timer. Let me go in variable change. Okay. Take this, put it over here, change, and change the score to timer by -1. Okay, let us see what is happening now. Let me just click on this green flag. The timer is getting reduced. Okay, but I need to mention condition. Now, what is going to happen? It is nothing is going to stop the game because we have just mentioned that timer should get reduced. Let us see. Has the game stopped? No. It is going below -1. Now it is going negative. Let me just stop this. Okay. Click on the green flag. It will back to 20. Let me give a condition. So as we give a condition, if it is rain, open the umbrella. In the same manner, I'm going to give a condition. If then, let me just check if then. Okay. So if timer is smaller than 1, okay, if timer is smaller than 1, let me go in operate and check smaller. Okay. Now over here, let me go in variable, drag this timer. If timer is smaller than 1, okay, so I want this screen to change to game over screen. So let me go to the backdrop. Look, there is a backdrop. Switch backdrop to. In this drop down menu, you'll be able to see the two backdrop which we have used. The first one is neon tunnel and the second one is game over. So I'm just doing that. But it is going to only change the game. It is not going to stop the game. What is going to happen? The balloons are going to still going to come. Okay, when the timer is done, but it's not going to stop it. We need to put something extra code for stopping it. So let me just go in control and see. Yeah, I got this. Stop all. Stop everything. Whatever is happening over here. Let us try this now. Oh, I'm not able to. Mhm. Missing. Oh, the game is over. Okay. So finally, our game is done. But you require more balloon. Correct. So let us add more balloon. Currently, we are having only one. So let me just go over here, sprite. Let me search for balloons. So I'm having only one balloon or what? Okay, fine. Oh, it is having three color already. Let me take this balloon. I can do one thing, right click, duplicate. So what is going to happen? The same script will come over here. Same thing, right click, duplicate. Right click, duplicate. Whatever number of balloon you want, you can do that. And what I can do, I can change the color. Select this balloon, go to the costume, delete the first one, delete the last one. I'm having this balloon. Go to this balloon, delete the first and the second. I'm having this color balloon. Select this one. All the three colors are done. You can take the bucket, you can fill the color and change the color accordingly, whatever you want. On this one, okay, this one look good. It is similar. Okay, let us see how the things are working. Oh, coming balloons. Why the timing is running so fast? There is some glitch. Let us solve that. Let me go back to balloon code. So what I will do, I will delete this code from other three balloons. Let me just experiment this. Okay, this running, it's coming properly. What else can be done? Let us play this game. I think this weight is giving me little bit. If I just remove this weight and see how the game is going to work, let us try that. It's all about experimenting. So this weight is for this yellow balloon. Okay. So without weight, it is looking much better. Fine. Let me just remove the weight from each one of it. Let us check now. It's very hard. But one more thing, all the balloons are coming at with the same speed. So you need to do some changes over here. Let us do this. Have you mentioned the speed? Glide 1.5. So we can just put a random speed to everything. Okay. So for one balloon, it could be 1. For other balloon, it could be 1.5. For other balloon, it could be 0.5. For the other balloon, it could be 1.2. Let us play and check. It's very difficult game right now. Okay. If you find this game difficult, what you can do? You can the glide speed. You can decrease that 0.5. So it is going to come slowly. If you just check that balloon comparatively, it will be coming little slow. Let's go for this one balloon. To check my yellow blue balloon, it is coming slowly comparatively with the one speed. Okay, let me just check glide. The number, if the number increase, it is going to come little more slow. Okay, so just for example, this one is too fast. Let me just put 3. This one around 2.5. Check. Okay, so it depend how you are going to play the game and depend how you want the difficult level for you to have that. So you can share this game with a friend and check their highest score. Okay, so congratulations, you did it. You made a game, a complete game with a character, with a background, with a score, with the timer. Amazing.